Hello, in this demo, we are going to walk you through how DocSpire handles e-invoice processing and specifically how we parse and extract the structured data from the most widely used e-invoice formats, which includes uh, Zugford and Zhejiang. So now we'll see how what samples are available. So we have some of the samples that we'll be covering in today's demo. These are basic XML formats, and this one has been extracted from the PDF. And as we know that the way that Zookford works is there is a PDF, any PDF, and the PDF has the XML embedding already in place. So with DocSpire, you are able to automate the extraction of the XML from the PDF and then process the XML, parse it, validate the XML, and then maybe write it to a backend system. So that's how the entire process works. We'll start with seeing the samples that we have. We have a couple of samples here that we were able to process with DocSpire, and we'll be covering in today's demo. So let's start with how we were able to parse the XML. If we look at the toolbox here, we have some options to work with XML data. You can see that we have a parser, serializer for an XML, and a source as well. So I'll just drag and drop the source object onto the designer, and let's go ahead and design. We can just point to an existing sample file that we can work with, and with along with the sample file, I would also be needing to generate a schema for the given XML. So let's give it a name, and this schema file would actually be able to parse the entire information inside of this XML and give me in a readable format. So now you can see that this object has all of the information parsed. The schema is basically what lets the tool understand the fields, and I can even modify the schema to my own liking if I want to be able to customize the schema on my own. So that's the main purpose of having the schema file here along with the XML document. Now this was how Estera was able to parse it. We can also do a preview output and see the exact data which was able to extract from the given XML, which we had originally extracted from a PDF document, right? And we can see that all the information along with the given details has been parsed accordingly. Now I have a similar flow which we will see that actually covers the exact example here, where I'm actually reading the same Zookford invoice and using the XML source and applying various transformations like date conversion. We have a date conversion function here which converts the date to a specific format. We also have a lookup here. We have an option to parse the address. So basically applying various transformations and then writing them to a backend system. Now this could be your Excel, this could be your an ERP, this could be a database, and we're basically writing the transformed information in a flat file, in a flat format. You can see that now the information which we were getting in the hierarchical XML format has been extracted out in this flattened structure, and even the line items were also written to the same Excel file with a different format, right? And this is one part of the flow. We'll start with going a step back and see how the exact end-to-end process works. So this would be the automated process for processing Zookford files. The first step would be to extract Zookford from the XML, and this is basically, if I go inside of this, this has this is where I'm reading the PDF documents, reading PDF files, and extracting the XML out of it and creating XML documents, which XML document is then going to be used in the second step. If I open this one, this is where we're then using the extracted XML data and extracting data out of it into a more into our backend systems like Excel or databases. So this was an example showing XML, but with Zookford, but similar would apply to Zhejiang, and since both of them are based on UBL structures, UBL standards, it's all basic XML, and Estera DocSpire has had experience with a lot of customers who have been using Estera for working with XML datasets, and this is a similar feature request that we have recently been working on and adding to the product. Thank you.